We are different because of the service experience that we provide. So we like to provide our clients with a knock your socks off service experience.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show. Checka Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Checka Pro Joe.
A lot of people take their carpets for granted, but carpets need to be maintained. They need to be cleaned on a regular basis. I've asked an expert in the carpet cleaning industry to join me here on Checka Pro Radio. His name is Erik Olson, and he's a co-owner of Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning. Erik, how are you?
Great, Joe. How are you?
Fantastic. So explain how Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning is different from other carpet cleaners.
So first and foremost, Joe, I think that we are different because of the service experience that we provide. We see that in a lot of the service industry that kind of customer service factor is lacking. So we like to provide our clients with a knock your socks off service experience. But the other thing that kind of sets us apart is our dry times with a carpet. We have the fastest dry times on the market for carpet that will be dry in about an hour. Okay, we lift the dirt out instead of soaking it down so that the carpets actually look cleaner and that they are cleaner than a lot of the competitors are providing. We have a nickname in the industry for some of these cleaners. We call them splash and dash, where they just come in, pour a bunch of water in, suck a little bit of it up, and they kind of just take your money and run away. Whereas with us, if we need to put in the extra effort to give you the best results, then that's what we're going to do. We have a 30-day guarantee. We want to make sure that you're completely satisfied with the work. We follow up with you after we've provided the work just to make sure that everything is to your satisfaction, and hopefully that we've exceeded your expectations. So unlike a lot of other cleaners too, we actually use natural and safe cleaners that do not leave a soil attracting residue. And so that, again, leaves your carpets cleaner longer. You're not going to get that crunchy feel, and your carpets are nice and soft and dry in an hour. I mean, what more could you ask for carpet cleaning?
I totally agree. It really comes down to the process and, of course, the people behind the business. And it comes down to customer service, and you guys over at Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning are fantastic. Erik, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Joe.
Checka Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Checka Pro Radio Show.